Welcome to First Source 10, a system to use to generate thousands of dollars online every day. Here's a few income proofs from regular people like you who never earned a dollar online before and are now getting paid every day, and I'm going to show you how to start by using a free or a very low-cost offer, and as a matter of fact, I'm going to do most of the work for you by giving you a free website just like this. There should be only one reason why you're here on this site, and that reason is that you want to make money now. Well, I've found a way to make money right now and have it deposited into your account within hours without having to invest more than $10 or join some kind of MLM program, attend meetings, or go on job interviews. What I'm going to show you is how to become a freelance marketer and advertise for major companies instead of getting paid daily. Marketing and advertising is a multi-billion-dollar business industry. Companies spend billions of dollars every year on TV, magazine, radio, and internet advertising to attract new customers to their products. Now, what I have for you is a way for you to get in and get some of those dollars being spent every day by these very companies into your pockets. Companies have found that by using the Facebook tactics of people telling others allows regular people to refer others and be paid well for doing so, and it really works well. For these companies, it saves millions of dollars to have regular people working from home promoting their products and only paying for results. This process is very simple, so please don't try to make it complicated. You're going to sign up and work with a company called Free Treasure Chest. They're a marketing company. Fortune 500 companies are using them to market their companies online, and they're willing to pay you every day you refer people to try different offers. To become a member and in order to get paid, you must become a member yourself, so grab a pen and a piece of paper. Here's a step-by-step video on how to get started. Here's a step-by-step video. How it works. When you refer others to try out the trials from the companies that are listed, then they pay out a commission which Treasure Chest sends instantly to your account. There are different offers to choose from worth different amounts of credits based on their value on each site. The person that you referred just needs one full credit for you to get paid, so they can choose any of the free or paid offers. It's their choice. Enter your email address and continue on to the next step. If any of the info is false, you and your account will be placed on hold, and you'll be able to and if you don't have a PayPal account, just set it up later and agree to the terms and conditions and register. On the next page, it will say that you have registered. On the next page, it will say that you haven't met your offer requirements and you need one credit. In order to make money referring others, you have to complete one offer to a full credit. Here's an offer from a credit agency. To get started, click on the offer, read the terms, and complete. When you refresh Treasure Chest, it should say Offer Completed. If not, go to the Support tab and submit a missing credit report, then you are done. The great thing about these offers is that you're only asked to try the products if you like them and then keep them. If not, just cancel the offer. The only thing is that when you try an offer, that you keep it for at least 80% of the time. So if it's a 7-day trial, you should cancel it on the 5th day in order to avoid having your credit revoked. Now you have all the info you need to start your career as a freelance advertiser and earn income daily. So take the first step and complete step 1 and sign up for your free website and get started today. People are making thousands of dollars weekly working from home in this industry. Success is waiting for you.